Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to make stir-fry celery with olive vegetable. This dish is delicious and simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Celery, mushrooms, chopped garlic, onion white, olive vegetable, mushroom remove stem and chopped into fine cubes. Celery, peel off fiber and slices. Cubes onion white. One tablespoon olive vegetable. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Mix well and set aside. Stir-fry onion white. Chopped garlic. Mushroom cubes. Olive vegetable. Celery. One tablespoon water. Stir fry and optional to season with salt to taste. Stir-fry celery with olive vegetable is done. This dish is appetizingly with crunchy celery. Yummy! hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Celery is high in fiber and nutrients and low in calories. It's full of potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Celery is 95% water. It's a great snack if you're trying to lose weight or for regular bowel movements. Celery contains phthalates, which is a natural sedative and may cause drowsiness. Celery contains coumarin, which may induce calcium antagonistic properties, an effect preventing calcium from entering the heart cells. There are some allergens present in the celery which may cause a severe allergic reaction. There are more delicious celery easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.